She shed chicken coop.
Hey, it's Laura from Match Mead in Heaven, and today is day 3 on building the chicken coop. And we're working on the inside wall. We decided to put an inside wall so we could have a little bit of storage space inside for the food and all that good stuff. But this wall, we will be putting in the little screen door. We bought just a basic 36 inch by 80, and we took the screen off and cut that down last night. Michael finished that this morning. So next we're going to take the jigsaw and cut out the door, and also you can't see it because it's covered up, but we put the nesting box inside the storage area in the building so that one, it'll be more protected from predators, and two, it'll just be easier. So that's day 3. We'll come back and show you our progress.
So we're in the middle of day 3. Our goal is to finish this end here that we're looking in at Laura, and then put a front door on. What are you going to do for a front door? Let me come around, honey. What's your plans for a front door?
Not sure yet. We bought a 36 inch by 80 inch steel door, but it's too tall. So we're going to have to take it back and maybe try to build one out of 2x4s, 2x3s, and then cover it maybe with some of this barn siding. I don't know yet.
All right guys, Mike here. Sorry I didn't get the detail, but I'll give you a highlight of day 3 on the she shed. What we did was we used some metal around the top there to seal in where we had a hole there. So we sealed that in. I cut them straight with the other line. You can see better on this side what we did. So we sealed the front off, and then we used that same siding there on the corners, which worked out pretty well. Laura's going to do some painting later, but you can see that we used that same. Now it created a little gap there. We're not concerned with that. We didn't try to pretty it up. Our goal was just cover the corners and protect them, which we accomplished. And then on the side here underneath, we did not have fascia. So what I used was, when this was uninstalled from our home, where 2 different slopes met, there was what I'm calling a Y or a V type connection. So we cut those in half, and then we used that and built our own fascia there to protect underneath. And you can see it's going to be covered when we do the gutter install, which on this side I've already done a vinyl gutter install, and we got a separate video on this Amerimax vinyl from Lowe's. And no downspout yet. We've got the connectivity for the downspout, but we didn't want to put that in yet until we determine how we're going to capture. So we've got a goal to capture water there so we can use it and hopefully make maintenance a little easier with that in place. So on the back, we did the same install. It's not as pretty, in my opinion, as the front, but we've got it connected there. You can see on the uninstall some pieces were bent and things like that. So we've got that in place all throughout, and scratches. But for the purposes here, she shed chicken coop, I think day 3 was successful. Cutting this metal is very laborious. And had issues yesterday with my skill saw and had to revert over to another one. But I hope that gives you a day 3 update. Thanks for watching.